So hi everyone. Today I want to teach you how to create. I'll teach you how to use Mailchimp. Basically, I want to focus on email marketing for today. So I want to teach you how to use Mailchimp for email marketing. I'm going to teach you just the basic on Mailchimp, how to create a Mailchimp account, how to um, how to input your audience, that's the emails, and then how to create a campaign and send. So let's go to Mailchimp.com. Mailchimp. For Mailchimp, for creating if you want to create a free account on Mailchimp, you need to have an email. It can either be a free email provider or a webmail. The free email provider are basically Yahoo, Hotmail, Gmail, and others. While the web mail are those mail that actually those are the mails that came with an hosting plan, maybe a website email. An example is let's say I work for Mailchimp and I'm being given an email, and the email is like this. Email is like this. Isa at Mailchimp. This is a webmail. Let's create a free mail account. It's better for you to use a webmail. That way, you'll be rest assured that your emails are going for the free account. You'll be rest assured that your emails are going to the inbox. None of them will be going to spam, hopefully. So click on sign up. You need 1,000 contacts, 1,000 emails. If your email gets above 1,000, then you need to subscribe. So this is my email. I need a username. This is good, and a password. I would have loved this, but I won't go for this because someone can easily pause the video and pick this password. I won't do that. This is my password. I'll take this. I don't want to receive. No, I want this. So we're good. Now I need to go to my email to check for the verification email to activate my account. So let's go in. This is my email. This is it. Click and activate. We're good. You want to move soon? I'm going to get an email for myself. An email for myself for marketing. So this is how this. I'll put my first name, my last name. I'll go with this, and I'll put the business name. I'll go with. Let me just go with. So the phone number will be. So I'll take this and I click on next. Yeah, what is this? Huh? Huh? Without, we'll talk later about it. I did do something. Where you live? Okay. Okay. What's up? This is a number. This is a number. Huh? Don't worry, I'll put it. So then, on the next, you put your address here, optional. So the address is optional. You put it here if you like. I might not put the address. I might skip. Okay, this is optional. This is you need this. Okay, I'll put Lagos, Nigeria. I'll go with this. And just this. I'll go with this. This. Then the next. Let's go to next. Go my list of emails. I'll skip this. Just skip all this so that you can create your account ASAP. I'm skipping everything. I want to create an account. I'm skipping everything. We are not going selling. Online marketing. You own a website, physical store. We're not going selling. Well, I'm skipping this. You can do all this. I'm skipping. Then this is what we want. As you can see, sending will be paused if contact or email send limit is exceeded. So this is the send limit for me. I think this is a monthly send limit. Is so continue. So basically, if you have 1,000 contact, then you are supposed to send email once in a month with this account. So this is my Mailchimp account. So what do I need to do first? Since I'm here, I'll need to go for the audience. You can do it here. I think there's a you can add import, but I'll do it here. Let me show you the normal way. This is the dashboard. I click on audience. I click on audience dashboard. Then I'll click add contact, add your contact. So the best way to add contact on Mailchimp, the most easiest, the best way I prefer, the best way I prefer, and the best way I think, the way I think is best is copy and paste. Because with this, you just move on with all your tags. But this you might be coming back. Maybe the file is this, maybe this or that. But if you select copy and paste, I'm telling you, you move on to the next. So this is how you add your emails. And so I just want to play around with these two emails so you understand this. Uh, so for I want to be able to show you some analytics at the end of the at the end of the class, at the end of the video after sending the emails. I want to be able to show you analytics. That's why I want to add my emails. So you can add your emails to existing. Once you select this, your email, every email you put here will be added to existing. So continue to tag customers, likely finalize import, and complete import. So we're done. I can click here to start campaign, but I want to show you something. I'll have to go to the dashboard. I want to use the dashboard so that you understand how to do this. So, so this is what this. This is you get an email that you've imported emails to your Mailchimp account. You get an email for that. So two emails. So now let's go back. The figure need to be here. Subscribers, new subscribers, new. No content will added as it. I don't know. This is it. So this is it. So now let's create a campaign. You can click here to create a campaign. Here to create a campaign. So let's click here. Or you can go with here, new campaign manager. So let us click here. So this is the better way, the button at the top. So you can go for already made or blank. So what I'll do is that I'll go with already made. Then I'll teach you the blank. So in case you so this is regular email automation landing page. So I'll go with regular email. This is what you have to choose. I want to be able to create something for the blog for this blog. So someone anyways, I want to be able to drag people to this blog post. still loading. I forgot that this is the page. Putting this. There's something I forgot to tell you. Should in case you were having problem verifying the mail you got from Mailchimp, you can always click here to get another verification email. You can always click here because you might encounter problems or you might not find emails. You can always click here. Even when you must have clicked on the link, you notice problems. You notice that it didn't load or you couldn't get good pass through that stage. You can always click here. Let me reload. So this is it. This is where you send the email to. This is form. And this is the subject. Let's do the subject. Click here to do the subject. Let me pick this as my subject. This is my subject. And I'll put it here. You can put an emoji. This is all about how to know who's sharing your glow data. This is all about data. So let's add an emoji. An emoji. Let me go for phone. No, internet. Internet. What about network? Let me just search for it.
Ah, Oga, okay, you on top.
So let me search for it. Uh, this is not loading. This is loading very slow. Okay, I'll just pick this. Since it has to do with sharing, so I'll go for the largest number of people. So this is good. I like this emoji, but I don't want it to be here, so I'll cut it and take it to the end. I'll put it here. Then for the preview text, this is a preview text. This is basically a text to explain what this it's to explain, just come up with a summary for this or something for that, something to just complement the title. So I'll go for uh, Glue Unlimited Data for you. I'll make this on lowercase. I'll save. So this is my subject. This is everything. So this is how it will look like. Just like somebody that got an email like this. So let us once we're done, we'll send our email. So let's design the email now. So now let's design. Like I told you, I'm going to design one with already made template, and I will later come back. I will later design one with a blank. Um, I will later design one with from scratch. But let's design one with already made. Apply. I'm choosing this. That's why I'm clicking apply. I'm choosing this. That is why I'm clicking apply. So now The first thing you need to do, this is where the logo is supposed to be. I'm waiting for this. First of all, I want to talk about branding. Because of branding, because of branding, I will need to change the color of this email. So I'll either go for white and green, or I'll go for white. I prefer to go for white. I'll maintain white and green. So let us pick this one, the top. Select, hold on. You have to select first, select the background, click on the background. Then this is color, you click here. So I can make this green. I think I can make this green. So this is the green. Pick the code so that you'll be sure of the green. Copy and done. I need a different green. This button, we might go for green for the button. Let's look for background color. This is border. This is button. Block. Uh, let's go for the sides. The side paste. This is the color. Okay, the bottom will be white. No problem. The bottom will be white. And let's do this one green. Okay, let's leave it. Let's leave that. So let's start. The first thing is the logo. This is the logo. Click on the logo. Click select logo. So I want my brand logo. My brand logo come out here. I need you. I need you. If I cannot find my brand logo, I'll go for. Let me search it on Google search. Let me search it on Google search and I'll find it there. So I'll go for images. This is my logo. Let me go for this. Prefer that. I prefer this. So I'll go with this. Alright, click save. Okay, let's view image first. New tab to be sure, then save. You can save image with the name. So brown white pages. Because sometimes like web pages, these like web pages sometimes these the image might not load. So the whoever that receives the email will see the name. So click here on the logo, click set logo, and look for the logo, quick access. This is the logo. Click open. So this is the logo. Because of the logo, because of the logo, I would like to change the background to what? To white. So click on the background, the side. Can you see my mouse? Go down, change the background to white. There's something I also want to do. I want to take this one off. Click here, then click on delete. This is out. Wow. So then there's something I also want to show you. I don't want this one. Click here, delete. Click on the logo again. That's what I want to show you. I want to make sure that anybody that click on this logo, they go to my website. So I'll go back, pick the website address, come back to the design. This is web. This is where I put it. So if you get my mail, once you click on the logo, you go to the website. So done. And the next is this. I also want to make this white. Click on the background, click here to make it white. So the text, what's the title? The title is this. What's the title? I think I left. This is it. This is the title. So pick the title. You might want to make this so easy and simple. You can do whatever you want to do, but I want to make it easy and simple so that we'll move on. Paste. Then align. Like highlight. Then click here to look for align. This is align. When I over here, can you see it? You click on align. And then the space, I don't like the space. So let's take away the space. I don't like the space. Click in, then delete, then click backspace. This is the space. Then this, the side, I want to change the background to white. So click color, change background to white. The picture, I want to replace the picture with the picture here. So this is it. Save. You can always open on a new tab if you are not sure. It's saving as web, but you can still use it. Let me just take it to a new, open image in a new tab. then save. You can still use it if you save, like, but this might save in a GP or whatever. Say, so okay, this is still web picture file. So let's go back. I believe that's it. So click on it, then click add, then click upload. Why? Because the picture is on the laptop. So or the image is on the laptop or the banner is on the laptop. Oh, I can't find it here. Let's go for all. I still can't find it. But let's go back. Things that let me check where the file is. Click here. Click here. Oh yeah, I didn't save that file. I think I didn't save it. Let's go save. It's in download. Let's save. Let's find it. This is the file. Open. If you like, open with paint. I'll tell you why. Open with paint. This is why I want to open this in paint. Close. Don't save. So it will be easier for you to find it here. Quick access. To be in quick access. So you don't end up finding trying to find it. So let's go back. Click here. Click the drop and click upload image. You'll find it here. Quick access. Let's go to all. Click here. Select all. This is it. So I want to make this. I want to also make this possible. Let's copy this link. So it will be possible for them to click on the image to go to click on it. Okay, let's just change the image. Let's change the image to a different type. They don't accept this WebP. Let's change the image to something different. So go back to the image. Go to File, Windows E. That's a shortcut. Let's go back. Open it in Paint. That's in Paint you can change the image to different. So this different type. So click here, click File, click Save As, then select PNG or JPEG. So let me just go for JPEG. So let's give them JPEG. So this is what it is. We have everything here. Let's make it easy. So click the drop down, click Upload Image, click on Quick Access, and click this. So I want to make this possible. I want to make possible that whoever click on this image will go to the blog post. So I'll put the link here in here of the blog post. So we're good. You can put the alternate text if you like. You can put the alternate text if you like. The alternate text can be the primary keyword, just share your Glow data or the full sentence. Basically, six. The primary keyword is better because if you are naming an image, it should not be more than 6 words. So, share your Glow data is better. Let me just put it. Share your Glow data. So this is share your data. Share your data on Glow. Your data on Glow. So you can also use share your Glow data depending on which you prefer. So we're done. Let's change this one to white. Click here, click background, change it to white. Then pick some of this text, which is this. I'll pick like this. I prefer this. Pick all this. Go back. If you want to change the text font before you put it here, go to your notepad, paste the text. You want to remove the text font and also remove the anchor text because as you can see, all these texts, these ones are clickable. These ones are clickable. So if you want to do it with that, with ease, you paste it on the notepad. If you want a notepad, you click here. Every laptop has a notepad. Every PC has a notepad. You just type notepad. This is your notepad. So let's move on. Paste in here. So then this is where I think, yeah, this is the next. I might change this to white. Let's change this to white. I want it to align with the text. put the text here. Then the button can be green. The button, let's go down. The button can be green. Let's click on the button. This is the button. We need to get the green code. Okay, this is it. The button can be green. So let's type. I will go learn more. Learn more is better, or visit blog to read more. Let's go with learn more. So learn more. You can delete the text, then type learn more. To learn more, you click here to learn more. Let's check if we can make this text bold. There's also some things you can also do. With this button, you can drag the button. You can make the button, you can align the button, and shape the button, and take it to the right, bring it back. You can make it medium, large. I prefer this. Then let me change this one here. I want to take this out. Click here, take this out. Click here. So this is social media pages. For the button, I forgot. I didn't put the link. Click on the button. Go copy the web page link. Go back and paste it here. Done. Click here. Make it white. Then this, click here and make this one white. So now this is the social media account for the blog. So let's go get them. Brown white pages. Go to Google. It's easy to get it via Google. Google. So this is that of YouTube. Open a new tab. This is that of Facebook. Open a new tab. This is that of Twitter. Open a new tab. This is Pinterest. Open a new tab. This is I'm looking for Instagram. I think I've lost my Instagram account. I've lost my Instagram. So let's go. This is Facebook. Copy, cut, go back, click. This is Facebook. You paste it here. Go back. This is YouTube. Copy, highlight, cut. Go back. So no YouTube here. So click here. Add another social link. Click here to add YouTube. That's an email. Click here again. This is a website. Click here. This is LinkedIn. Click here. This is YouTube. So delete this. Delete this. Delete this. You can put the website if you like. Delete this. So this is YouTube. I'll put YouTube here. So Twitter. This is Pinterest. Then let me go for Twitter first. Cut. It's Twitter. I can't find Instagram. So I'll select Pinterest here. Seems like I've selected Pinterest. But good. So you can do some other things. You can change the icon. You can change it if you like. Let me just go with this. This is good. So done. So we're done with everything. The next is just this. Highlight from here to here. From this asterisk to this asterisk. What do you see? Current year. So type the year 2024. Highlight from here to here. What do you see? The company name Brown White Pages. Then delete this. Highlight this, then delete. Highlight to here to delete. Then just put the email address. This is our email address. So this is it. So let's preview. We're done. This is it. So let's send the emails. Save. Let's first of all you save, then check if there's any. You can send test email. I would have loved to send test email. I would have loved to send test email, but we'll go back. We'll try a test email first so that you see. This is the email. Send the test email. This is test email. So click. Let me just send to my email address. So send test email. Okay, so let's go to my email address. Let's go to my email address to check. I'm supposed to receive the test email. Let's check if the email address is correct. Let me do another one. Send test email. If we don't see this, then we'll just send the email. Let's reload. So this is the test email. This is the subject, how to know who's sharing. So this is the test email. That is the emoji. This is the email. So let's send the email now. So send. After sending, I'm going to introduce you to the analytic part of this of the Mailchimp account. Nice job, email sending. So once you send this, this is where you go to next analytics. Let's go to analytics to be sure that the email uh, to be sure that they've delivered. This is the report. Let's be sure. Report. Click on report to be sure that the email has delivered. For not sure, we'll just check our emails. So your audience are these. So let's check. This is the report. It's a view report. I think the internet connection is slow. So open, clicked, bounce, unsubscribe. The open basically are those emails that they've the recipient must have checked. The clicked one are those ones they must have clicked the link. The bounce one are those ones that did not delivered. So the bounce email can either be hard bounce or soft bounce. The hard bounce are basically the bad emails. The soft bounce are emails that didn't deliver because of um, the recipient email is 100% filled filled up with emails and all. The server is bad. That means the recipient might receive the email later. So let's go to the email, click inbox. So this is the email. Click. I think this is it. That is the test email. The one at the bottom should be the email. This is the test. This is the test. Let's go back. Let us click. Let's imagine this is the email. Remember I told you that I want it possible for the recipient to click on the logo and they will go to the website. So let's click on the logo. This is the website. So go back. Let's click on the banner. This is the banner should take us to the blog post. This is the blog post. So let's click on the button. The button should take us to the blog post. This is the blog post. So the social media icon should take us to social media account. This is YouTube. This is YouTube. This is Twitter. This is Pinterest. And this is Facebook. So now let's go. We're done with everything I show you. I showed you what I need to show you. Now let's go to the analytics. The analytics is what will tell us what the recipient did when they received the email. So let's reload. This is the analytics. If possible, the test email is going to show us that. It's going to show us that. I don't know if the email I said didn't deliver because I can't find the email here. But that is this is the test email. Let's go to the spam. I can't find the spam, but maybe the test email might give us. We might get analytics. So no analytics from the test email. Normally we're supposed to see open, click, link, click, bounce rate. And let me check why this email didn't deliver. Let me go back to the campaign. Okay, still sending. Also, before we're done sending this, let me just teach you how to create a blank campaign. Blank one. So click on create. Let's create from scratch. Let me teach you how to create from scratch without using an already made template. Then click on regular email. So add subject. I'll go with same subject. I'll put the subject, get an emoji. I might go with same subject. I think yes, yeah, let's go with same subject. Let's go with the same preview text. Save. So let's design. Click design email. So this is the start from scratch. Let's apply. This is a logo, and at the bottom, normally you don't need to do anything here anymore because we've done this before. It will automatically show whenever you send your email. I'm going to show you this. So now this is done. We need our picture. Pick our picture. I'll make this very fast because we've done this before. Let's pick our banner. So this is it. Like I said, have to put the link. So I'll go to the blog post, copy the link, put it here. Done. The next, the title. Remember we did the title. So this is what you do. This is heading. Pick this and drop here to do an heading. So pick the heading here, paste it here. So we don't need this space. We don't need the space. You need to make sure that everything is well arranged. You can reduce the size of this by highlighting. You need to highlight first, then you reduce like this. So you can actually reduce the size. This is good. So remember, I want to make this clickable. Click on this, get the text. This is clickable. Then let's get the message. Like I told you, once you copy, every laptop, every PC has a notepad. Click here, type notepad. could be then save. Once you paste, you copy, go back, you paste. Should I leave it like this or should I make it? Let me just do it like this. So you can always highlight to arrange the text. Highlight, come to click on a line. To go down, I said you don't need to do anything here. Remember what there was a button here, so let's pick a button. This is button, copy the button, put it here. Or hold the button, not copy, hold. Click in here, let's change the color of the button to green. I love my green. I can change it to this green. Let's try to find this green. I don't know if I'm gonna I don't think I'm gonna achieve that. Okay. What I'll do is that I'll just change the side and then the main button to white. The main button can be uh, the main button, the text can be white, the background. Okay, let's go with green for the background. Now, that's not what I want. Okay, if this is like this, let me make it like this, then let me make the button white, then the text black. And text the button white, the button white, click the button white, text black. So this is visible. So click in here, type learn more, deleting, learn more. So go to the web page link, paste it, done. Remember, we need to put the social media account. So hold this, paste it here, not copy, hold. So Facebook, so Pinterest. Let's go for Pinterest. Let's make this Pinterest. Click here. This is no Pinterest. So Pinterest. Click in here without deleting. First time we deleted. So I highlight, paste Pinterest. Let me go here. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Here, no, this is Facebook. This is Twitter. It's supposed to be. Next is how to use my digital marketing template. Next is how to use my digital marketing template. So basically, I'm going to teach. Let's go to YouTube. So that is this is YouTube. It's Twitter. Let's go to YouTube. Click on the drop down. Select. So I have YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram. And my Instagram should be this. This is it. So done. Good. So send our email. Let's preview. So you can send your test email. You can do it. Let's check if this is sent before deleting before we end the course before we end the video. So thank you for watching. Uh, make sure you watch and you learn and you practice.